make noodles with me. And what kind of Indian would I be if I didn't use this Maggi? It's very easy to make. I'm gonna be serving myself in this bowl. I don't think the lighting is good. Since we're only making one for one person, me, I have this pan. So, let's get to it. So, the first thing you want to do is take 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water. What water? How do you, what water? Because I'm only one person. 1 glass, whatever glass you have. I like my cheese melty bread. Then we're gonna turn this on to 9. We need to wait for the water to boil. Okay, boil. Right now it's on the pan. Ooh, it was imperfect. It was like right off the pan thingy. So we wait for it to boil. While that, we can dance. I'll just wait until it boils. I like my noodles a little soupy. So what I'm gonna do is take a half glass of water. So I'll be right back. There we have it, half a glass of water. I don't think you can see, because I can't see in the camera. But it is half. Oh, there you go. Pour it in. Shit, I think I put way too much. Just take it off. No biggie. So we let it set. We don't let it set, like just let it boil, boil, boil. Bye. I mean, not bye, but yeah. Still waiting. It's not boiling. I don't see bubbles. The consistency will be bubbles. Okay? Bubbles. Bubbles. Hey, where's Bubbles? Oh, she's in her room combing her hair. So she gave me the prettiest girl at the party. I'm gonna be the prettiest girl at the party. I don't know if you recall it, but just go. Did take cold water, so. Yes, I just drank water in front of the camera. It's not boiling. Why is it not boiling? Is it boiling? I see little tiny bubbles. I don't know if it's visible in the camera, but tiny little bubbles forming. Yeah, tiny little bubbles. There is a spoon. 1 second. Spoon. Stir the water so I feel like a sous chef. Even though it's just water. I think that, I don't know, but I think this is enough. I think it's supposed to boil on the top. So I'll wait. Okay, so it's starting to get steamy here. There, you can see better now. Steam, but still not. It's kind of boiling, but I don't see the boiling that I need. Probably the bubbles will be visible now, if you can see, but it has to be bubbly on the top. which is only a little bit, so we still have to wait. Until then, farewell. Until then, I don't break the noodles. I mean the Maggi. I just don't. Just put that in. Straight. Now it's wet. It's super wet. Whoa, that was fast. Put this in a bowl. So now we're just gonna take one pack out of there. Just put that in. You don't need to worry about, oh my god, I'm gonna burn myself. Just don't burn yourself. That was not a burn, it just got a little hot from the Maggi noodles. Oh shit, ow! I poured some water on the side, but it doesn't matter. So, oh, it's starting to break down a little. I'll just leave it in there. And until then, I will look for the masala. Yes, I meant to do it in that masala voice. Look at that. I'm gonna use all of it. I'm kidding. This is all I'm gonna use. That's just one. No, it's not. I just realized I need scissors. They're right there. I'll go get them. Now, if you're younger than me, if you don't know if you're younger than me, I'm 11. You have to be careful. If you're 10 and a half, and you know how to use scissors. Seriously, it's no big deal. I'm gonna cut my hair. I'm kidding. I'm definitely not doing that. Because I don't want to. My hair is beautiful. I am beautiful. Just cut one piece off. I forgot to do this, the ASMR. They're usually quiet in those ASMR videos. Stir the noodles. Satisfying. Oh, I forgot to record the satisfying part. Now I can't do the satisfying part anymore. No. But stir. Feel like a sous chef again. Banana, banana, banana. Now, some people will just put their masala directly in there. But the trick is to not get it all set in the bottom. The trick is that you have to put it in the spoon first. This is not coming out. I need a big hole. What? It's yummy. Stir. Shit. That was my brother coming in. So I got a little bit on there. That was my brother intruding into my place again, even though I told him that I'm recording. No, some of it's stuck on. It's not supposed to happen. Ah, I can smell it. Yummy. Just take. Now just sprinkle the rest on. Oh my god, my hand. I'll do it from a little height. Oh, that's only a little bit. Accidents happen. Look how much is going up. Hope this plastic doesn't melt. Now, My brother came in. He was asking if I could do one for him. So yeah, just put that in. Bloop. Put another one in because like he wants one too. Cut another one of this. Siblings are annoying. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Wow, this is a lot. Now, I don't know if someone else does this, but I don't know if it's weird or if it's good, but I put ketchup in my Maggi. It is not weird. I swear it's not weird. Now, all I have to do is just keep stirring so you feel like a sous chef, and so it doesn't stick to the pan. For now, it's still boiling, you know? Just lower the temperature. So we get 8 to 5. Did from 9 to 5 so that it sticks, so that the sticking of it in the pan will be less likely. Still have some in here. In the last packet. It fell in the packet. Two-minute noodles. Has that nice kick in there. I'll go get some meatballs. I want meatballs in here. If there's no meatballs, I don't care. I just put ketchup in it. I did not find frozen frozen meatballs, so I guess I'll be breaking a kebab in half. Just put that one in so I can do this ASMR in here. You can't hear anything, but they just do this. First they show it like this, and then they just do random tapping on it. I thought it almost fell down. Not me, I thought it almost fell down. Some kebab. Never seen a YouTuber named Kebab. I guess he really liked kebabs, so he named himself Kebab. Wow. My cousin's sous chef, she's very good. I like it. Okay, it's yummy. To make this a little healthier, we can put some vegetables in. So I'll get the vegetables. None of them were open, so I just took this one. Probably cut it from the corner. Don't cut the whole thing. And we just pour a little bit in. This one fell on the spoon, so it's okay. Now just stir, stir, stir. I don't think this, I think this is a non-stick pan. I don't know. I don't feel it sticking. I should have taken a bigger one. Now since I like mine a little soupy, I'll get more water because my brother took it. Water. Oh. There we go, we got some water in there. Now it's gonna be soupy. Don't mind the sizzling, it's just some water. That fell on the hot stove that I used my nail. It's not really the hot part. It's just warm, so it started sizzling. Just stir like a sushi. Don't tell anyone. Frozen peas. Yum. There, now it's ready and I'll put it into my bowl with my chopsticks. I got a different plate. I'm gonna take the spoon out. Me first, because when I take it out, like the soup comes out first. So, yum! Slay! I just made this by myself. No help. Oh shit! What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I swear, if these noodles aren't good, I forgot the main ingredient. Oh yeah, I didn't forget it. I was like. My brother doesn't like ketchup on his, so I guess I won't put ketchup. And I just put the rest in here. That's a lot of vegetables that went into his. It didn't stick. No, I forgot to turn this off. There we go. You got 3 pieces. Okay, and I'll just take some vegetables out of here, put them into mine. Vegetables, mine. Not exactly vegetables, there's peas and corn. Sweet corn. My bowl is very full right now, but yeah, so that was it. And I'll probably get a fork and a spoon for my brother, so wait. Chopsticks for me, fork for my brother. Ah. Ready. This is for me, that's for my brother.